Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the 5 best stocks that beginners should be buying right now. So I just wanted to quickly shout out and say thank you guys so much for getting my Instagram account to 100,000, the Impeccable Investor. Please check out the links below to our free Discord group chat, to Instagram, and to many other cool things. Alright guys, now let's get into the video. Once again, please smash that like button and subscribe. Because of quarantine, we're releasing videos every single day. Let's get into it. First beginner-friendly stock is Alphabet Inc., which is stock symbol GOOG. The reason why this is a beginner-friendly stock is because, as you can see here, about the history of the stock, it is consistently going up, which is a good sign, because when you want to invest your money in something, you want to make sure that it consistently goes up. But not only that, we hit a crucial support level, right? Here at $1,000 is where this stock tends to bounce, and that's where Google has hit recently. So this company owns Google, YouTube, etc. All these places are not going anywhere anytime soon. The US population specifically is consuming so much content, it's crazy. So YouTube, Google, these search engines aren't going anywhere. So because of the predictability of the long-term history and the fact that we don't see this company going anywhere anytime soon, Google or Alphabet Inc. should be is the top beginner-friendly stock you should be looking at, because this is one of the greatest stocks to invest in just for the long term, for the future, and it's very safe. The next stock here is Waste Management, stock symbol WM. Now, Bill Gates of Microsoft, or I should say ex-Bill Gates of Microsoft, since he kind of stepped down off the board, but he owns a large portion of Waste Management. The reason being is it is a huge, almost recession-proof stock. The reason being is we have a history of a long-term uptrend, which means that over time, the stock price continues to go up. At the same time, it offers a quarterly dividend, which is something that all dividend investors love. But think about the business model. They collect waste. And speaking about the US population specifically, we generate so much waste. We are wasteful people, and the waste needs to go somewhere. So the fact that we have a company, Waste Management, that handles all our waste, and we're increasing waste every single year, this company will not be going anywhere anytime soon. So that, combined with the dividends, combined with the history of uptrending, this makes it a very safe, reliable stock. So if you are a beginner and you want to invest in a stock, please check out Waste Management. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel and this video. Now, the next stock here is American Waterworks Company, stock symbol AWK. The reason why this stock is awesome is because it is a utility, it is a necessity, it is water. Everybody needs water. It is crucial for life. It is crucial to be alive. Everyone needs it, whether it comes from dishwashing to taking a shower to just drinking water, right? So we have a quarterly dividend that it offers, and in addition to a consistent uptrend, which means over the years we have seen the stock go up and up. So even though we're in this crash, we can get it at a great price. This is AWK, and I would highly recommend it to beginners who are starting off, because it has like the 3 best things. The future outlook is positive, it offers a dividend, and it has a great uptrend. Alright guys, Apple is our next stock symbol AAPL. This is an amazing company for so many reasons, right? It is constantly adapting to the market. It is a tech-based company, but they adapt. They see what the users want, what the community needs, and they adapt, and they provide resources and appliances and tech to fit that. So they work for both personal and business use. So it's amazing. Not only that, we have seen a consistent uptrend coming from about $6 or $1 here all the way up to $300. It was one of the first companies that hit $1 trillion valuation. So that's awesome. And the fact that it also offers a dividend makes it a great beginner stock because of those 3 things I just mentioned about the last stock. It's in a consistent uptrend. As you can see, it's constantly going up. It offers a dividend, which is basically getting your money back tax-free. And then at the same time, it has a great future outlook. It's constantly adjusting and preparing for the long term and providing users with what they want. Last but not least, my favorite ETF ever, SPY. Now this works with VOO, with anything that is related to the S&P 500 ETF. Any ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index is an amazing ETF to invest in because it tracks the US economy. The only way this thing does not make money is if the US economy disintegrates, right? So we don't see that happening. It has never happened, and it always goes up. The S&P 500 averages throughout its entire life an annual return of 10%. So just by putting your money here, especially by buying in on dips, you can dramatically increase your returns and do it in a safe, reliable, predictable way, right? So this is one of the best beginner-friendly stocks that I personally love, and I recommend to anyone who DMs me on Instagram asking about the buy and hold investing approach. I also use my trend trading approach on SPY and generate great returns. So guys, this is one of the best beginner-friendly stocks, and if you are a beginner in the stock market, please click the link below. You can check out the free investing course that I have available to anyone who wants to sign up. But these are great stocks to start off with. So make sure you check out Google, Waste Management, American Water, Apple, and SPY. Once again, smash that like button and click one of the two videos on your screen now.